welcome to another vlog. It's the next day, and yes, it's the night. Well, it's not really night, it's like 5:47, but you know, during the fall time the skies change because of the what do you call that, the daylight savings. We're on our way for some Mexican food because that's what the craving is. So it's like maybe an hour away, so driving there to get some Mexican food, and once we pull up, we'll show you guys where that location is. It's actually fire. The food is fire. So this is our second time going, so we're definitely going to have a full belly tonight. Okay, so we'll see you guys when we get there, and remember, I put you on, okay? I'm here to pick up Kim. Me and my Lovelies entertainment, okay?
Stick to my entertainment.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is what I ordered. This is what I ordered. Ethan, calm down, sir. Calm down.
You're doing videos all day, say no more, mama.
I'm doing videos all day. You're such a hater. I'm gonna put you on blast, you know. You're such a hater. Sure.
You're tired. We've been shooting all day.
We've been shooting all day, what?
I don't want to see no more.
We're gonna put you on blast. They're gonna look how my Lovely's gonna shut you up.
Please.
Okay, guys, this is it. I'm actually gonna cut into it. Did you give me any utensils?
I should have got you some tacos, D. I regret sharing this. It looked that good. I don't even want to share it. Just cut a little tiny piece. The Big Daddy been home and alone. Mama could have got herself some. Should have got you something else.
Amen.
I do not want to share this. It looked that good.
Hold on, Papa. Let Mama get the first bite, please. You can't get the first bite today.
I should have got a quesadilla for you. Lunch on you tomorrow. Mommy tomorrow.
Guys, this is so good.
You need a special portion to eat. You need mine.
Okay. Can you pass that plate, please? Come, Ethan. This is it. It's so good. Hold on, baby. Oh, nothing.
Cut, Cameron. Don't be cutting corners. No, you stay. You ain't gonna judge me behind my back.
Damn, this is so good.
So good we about to go at each other's neck. More like I'm about to go at her neck.
He is so, oh my God, like, I can't even.
Smell it. It smells so good.
Like, calm down, bro.
Nah, man, I got you something else. You want to be mooching over me? Eating my burrito.
You didn't even get this one the last time.
Something for yourself.
You didn't get this. I told you to get this one because I know what's good. Right, Papa? Thank you for the verification. You can't even focus him eye in front of you.
I can multitask. It looked good, Kim. I was raving. I've been raving about this place. So I don't even go on camera like I ain't been begging to see.
No, they're gonna hear you.
Tell them that. Tell them I've been talking about Pepe's before I even.
But I was the one that found it. You know, I know all good things.
You know the name. I beg you to keep searching.
Please, they beg me. That's a lie. That's a lie. Don't even bother lie. Please, don't even lie. I was on it because I know it tastes good.
I waited all day just for y'all to come home doing laundry. Well, yeah, I'll eat the Chick-fil-A probably.
Chick-fil-A.
It ain't mean nothing.
Chick-fil-A. We don't do like you. Go on street and come back all the night with your belly full. This is hungry.
Gotta make sure Daddy get big and strong too. Can't have no stick man around. Daddy don't eat all day.
Lord!
And rice. Oh, nice. For all of that? Cool. Well, I guess they ran out of salad.
And there was busy too.
A lot of cars, a lot of people in and out, leaving their cars running just to get it going there.
Just to go in there.
It's a nice eat joint, man. It's worth the drive. It's worth the drive.
Yeah.
It's a long drive. I mean, because of the traffic. Maybe if you make.
Oh, this is so good. It's so much better.
It's so good that I was thinking about it just the first time, and this is our second time. It's that good. I've been wanting.
You know one thing they would have liked this because he's Mexican.
What?
What's his name?
Jose, man.
Now I got the chips. Oh god.
Oh, what's that?
Avocado.
They gave you that? When you asked for it.
No, you gave me that. I think it comes with the. I think it's for the chips. It's for the chips.
I never saw them give us that before. Maybe it's new.
Like a guac. Guac and sour cream.
Oh, guacamole salsa and sour cream. Okay. For one person, you get a lot.
You do.
$15.
This can feed two people. Like Papa.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Come on.
Is this the trash?
No, that's your food.
This is more. This is trash.
Let me know if you want to put it in trash so I could just take it out and eat it.
I'm dreaming.
Wow, this is so good. You should taste it.
Nah,
Not mine though, but yours.
I'm not going to disrespect my dinner.
Say you wanna be somebody, sick of being told what to do. Say you got a way out. We could buy a big house for two. We could be on the news. Starlight, see through the haze. My hand is shades, we're far from grace. Take me home, living for the thrill. Blood on the pills, for you I'd kill. We chase the highs to see the lights, red and blue. Come and get me. We can go anywhere that we wanna go. Even talk about us on the radio.
Okay guys, so I'm back, right? And let me stop talking like that. Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Okay, so for today I am going to be doing, yes, because I'm always in the kitchen now, for some reason loving to bake. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing today is baking Jamaican beef patty. Okay, So first I'm just gonna pull up a little video on YouTube so you could give me a guide on how to make it, because you know, this is my first time and I want to ace it. Okay, but did I show you guys? I think I did. Yesterday I made banana bread. Okay, beautiful, soft, moist banana bread. Okay, very moist. Yes, call me Baker Kimmy K or Chef Kimmy K if you like. Whew. Okay guys, so I'm still in here trying to complete. This is the final step of the patty. For 35 minutes. Woo! Come on, Ethan. What? You going in the grass? Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, Bubba. Yeah. It's okay. It's grass, baby. Ethan, it's only grass. Papa, it's only grass. Look. 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 Look, it's only grass. It's only grass. You see? You see, Papa? Ethan, it's only grass, baby. Get up. Come on, you're a big boy. You're a big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Ethan. Come on, Papa. You can do it, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. You're doing it. Oh yeah. Way to go. Woo. Papa, it's okay. Come on, stand up. See? You're a big boy. Come, because you don't want to hold Mama's hand. No, you're holding Mama's leg. I'm here holding his hand, and he yanked my hand, his hand from my hand. So come on. Come on, Ethan. Come on. Come on. Ethan. Come on. Come on. Go, Bubba. Come on. Ethan. Come on. Ethan is getting so tired. First time in the swing.
Can we talk about it?
Yay, Bubba. Yay, Bubba. You gonna be sleepy going home, huh? A day at the park.